Okay, Derby World. We are out in the actual pits, not the pit barn, but the pits of Blizzard Bash 2019, the very first day, Thursday morning. We're going to walk through here and check out some of the cars. Here is one of the cars that absolutely blew us away yesterday when we were walking around. It's one of the Derby Nation TV teams, and they got sticked. Look at the work on this wagon. I have never seen a wagon built like this. It's taking the quarter panel off. That is pretty impressive. He has got a stick. He is ready to roll. I guess a couple other ones didn't pass tech, but this one did. It is very, very awesome. Like I say, I've never seen that done before. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm going to take a little walk around here. See what else we can see around here. I apologize for the delay if you see one. Or if you see it. Not meaning to, but everything's kind of spaced out, giving these guys a little bit of space. I don't want to actually impede on their working, so let's just give a little tour around and check everything out. There's the team not for hire. Loop around this other way. They are really working out here. Couple team cars right here. How you doing? Nice cars. They look nice. It's not much up that way, so I'm not really going to walk up that way. We're going to walk through this way. This is like a limited weld car right here. Look at the pointy bumper on that. My golly. It's crazy. That is crazy stuff. Oh, this looks like another limited weld car here. Looks like another Buick right here. Yep, Buick Riviera. There's so much action out here. I'm gonna cross the road right now. Jump on this other side. One of the trucks. Looks like a box Vic right there. Limited weld. Oh, this is an old one right here. Check this car out. It's an old school car right over here. Wow. Check that out. The other guy's pretty cool car. Limited weld car. Pretty sweet looking. Pretty sweet looking. Let's see what else we got up over this way. This looks like another Buick right here even. They got the frame nice and notched. We'll roll up. Pretty nice car right there. Walk down this way. There is so much stuff to look at. I know I'm missing some, but there is so much to look at. These guys are working hard to try to get all through inspection. It's one of the compacts for the compact team. Heat. There's the Michigan team. Nathan Miller, his whole team from Michigan. We met up with him yesterday out here, caught up with them. They're still finishing up. We're going to turn around, go over here. It's another compact team. Another compact team. Now we're getting back to the big V8s. The compact team. They have pretty nice weather this year compared to last year. If you remember correctly in my video, it was really windy, really cold, snowy. It was pretty brutal. It's a little cold, but the sun's out, wind's starting to die down, so these guys have some pretty good weather. Be out here having fun. Nice car. Oh, look at them cars right over there. Wow. Check them out. Huh? Want one? That guy? Oh, yeah. These are the ones we talked to yesterday. That's right. Yeah, wasn't it these ones? No, it wasn't these ones. No.
They were down further.
They're down further.
Because they had the
green. There's the green ones right here. Man, look at that. Yeah, I got this team winning the qualifying, I think. These cars look pretty tough. How you doing? Yeah, those are some pretty awesome cars. Pretty awesome. Look good, man. Yeah, them are the ones we talked to yesterday. They are, aren't they?
They are. They just don't have their covers.
Pretty cool. Keep walking down this way. Stance on them is unbelievable. Blows me away. Blows me away. Well, that just about completes the tour out here in the pits for right now. I'll probably do another video up in the inspection line when there's a few more cars. So until next time, see you later.